Oh, I found gold treasure this time. Sir, I've not stolen anything yet. How did you know that I am here? Raise your hands, dead man, you're under arrest.
Let's make the burglar alarm project. This is the circuit diagram. Make the connection as it is. A passive infrared sensor, PIR sensor, is an electronic sensor that measures infrared, IR, light radiating from objects in its field of view. They are most often used in PIR-based motion detectors. This is 16 by 2 LCD display with I2C shield connected. This is our brain of the system Raspberry Pi Pico microcontroller along connected with LED and buzzer. Here I am going to simulate a motion in front of motion sensor. Now we can see our LED glow and the buzzer get started. This shows the motion get detected. Also we get message on LCD display. We are providing all the necessary files. Here is a coding part. All the library file will be provided in below link.